My teacher had a rule. No one understood until this happened. I always thought I was one of the smartest students in my class. Straight A's, quick answers, and the confidence to challenge any teacher who tried to stump me. That was until I met Mr. Holloway, the man who shattered my ego with a single question. He was the kind of teacher you either loved or feared. Sharp, unpredictable, and always 2 steps ahead of us. On the first day, he wrote on the board, "The question that will define your future." The whole class waited in anticipation as he turned to us with a smirk. "Who here thinks they are the smartest?" he asked. I raised my hand along with a few others. He nodded, amused. "Then this question should be easy for you," he said. He walked over to his desk, picked up a piece of paper, and placed it face down. "Solve this." I flipped the paper over and froze. It was a simple math equation. At least that's what it looked like. But as I examined it, my stomach sank. Something was wrong. The numbers didn't add up. It was impossible to solve. I glanced around. The other students were furiously scribbling, convinced they could crack it. I felt my pulse quicken. Was I overthinking it? Was this a trick? Minutes passed. I hesitated before I finally did something no one else did. I raised my hand. "Sir, this equation has no solution." The room went silent. Mr. Holloway's eyes gleamed with something like satisfaction. "And that," he said, "is the answer." Confusion rippled through the class. You will face problems in life that have no clear solutions. Sometimes the smartest thing you can do is admit when something is impossible. But most people waste time trying to force an answer that doesn't exist. I sat there stunned. That lesson stuck with me far beyond that classroom. I had spent my life believing that intelligence meant always knowing the answer. But that day, Mr. Holloway taught me that true wisdom is knowing when to stop searching for one.